Yung mga umalis sa pandemic.
Bakit nung
Ay, hindi ba? Ay, oo, nalugi daw. Tinanong ko doon sa ano, sabi ko, Miss, ano, walang mga pangit na mga magaganda ito.
Alis na tayo. We're going to Batangas. We're here in Batangas.
We're here! Tayo dun sa Central Mall.
Sarap tayo ng pagkain.
May kainan lang doon.
Tayo sa mall.
Bigat ng bag.
Thank you.
Ganda lang dito. Tuturo lang yung room. I like it. It's big. Bigger than our CR.
We're here.
Yay! We're here. first impression, well, expected naman sa Batangas na hindi white yung sand and medyo rocky. So, as is. Although yung area na pinag-stayan namin, it's very affordable. Although, puro mga bahay yung mga katabi naman. So, hindi talaga siya parang super developed like maraming resorts like Boracay or yung iba nating pinuntahan. Super chill lang, diba? Ikaw, anong impressions mo?
Ano, chill place. Mahirap lang yung jeep kanina kasi tagal natin naghintay.
Tsaka marami dito mga Korea, tapos puro Korea. So, na-excite ako i-try yung food!
Okay, guys.
Sabi doon, do not feed dogs and cats already fat. Mataba na daw yung mga aso nila.
From July 6 to 8, natapat na naman sa birthday ni Grace. Nakakatipid tayohan ngayon, okay? So, excited sa fast.
No?
Sarap.
Tapos nakahiga ka mo. Parang gano'n yung feeling, no? Gusto ko ng
자, 마지막으로 신랑 신부 하객분들에게 인사.
open arms, Lord, and that na maging family yung new work niya, Lord. I pray, Lord, na he would thrive there and that he would succeed, that you would continue to bless the work of his hands, Lord, and that whatever he touches, he creates, he thinks of, that it will be successful, Lord. And the company, his boss, even yung mga executives, Lord, would acknowledge, Lord, the contribution that he's making. So we acknowledge, Lord, that even from the start,
Kamusta tulog mo?
okay na, pero pagkagising ko dun ko naramdaman yung sakit.
Sakit likod?
Eh kasi orthopedic bed daw yun eh. Pero kasi hindi na. Baka okay siya pag back sleeper ka. Eh kaso side sleeper ako.